Another popular technique used by many threat actors is shortcut modification. So usually the end user uses some form of link files or shortcuts to their either documents or programs they are frequently used. So in our, for example, in our course VM, you can see many shortcuts on a desktop, but also the programs pinned to the taskbar are also shortcuts, all right? If you want to modify a shortcut, it's pretty straightforward. You just right-click on an icon and choose properties, so you can modify the target, path, working directory, how the program runs. You change the icon, etc. Right? But in reality, you don't have that kind of access, right? So you can't just log into the target machine and right-click on some icon and start to modify that. Let me show you how actually what are these files. So let's go to our home directory, which is home path, which is and we go to desktop, and if you list the contents, these files are actually special types of files. These are LNK files. So if you try to see the contents of them, they are actually not text files. So you cannot take this LNK file, edit it in some notepad, and you're good. You have to use something else. So for that, I wrote a simple VBS script, which takes the existing shortcut, modifies that in a way that it preserves the original functionality of the link or the shortcut, and it will actually run our implant as well, right? So let me show you the script. We go to C drive, RTO, persistence, and take a look at that. So what this script does, it takes a putty.exe LNK file from the desktop, and it modifies it in a way that it will change the target path, but the rest of the settings will be the same, all right? And to do that, it will create another VBS file here, a putty.vbs, which will contain two lines. One is the first, it will run our implant, okay? And then it will launch the original program from the shortcut file. So in this case, it will be putty, and then it will save that in the file. So let me show you how it works. So first, let's create a copy. Let's call it original or origin, right? And so let's go to RTO persistence 01 user, and let's run the script. It's make VBS, right? So now if you take a look at here and compare it with the original, so now we are running a VBS script, okay, instead of a putty.exe. And the second one, the second difference is that it will be running minimize, not as a normal window. So let's first check if it works. So as you can see, Notepad has popped up and the putty is also running. So let's see who actually, or what actually started this this notepad.exe. So notepad, as you can see, has been started, is a child process to implant, and implant was actually our program called by the VBS script, which is here. Excuse me. And it contains those 3 lines I talked about. So it's implanting, it's running our implant, and then it starts the putty. So that's a simple way to how you can modify existing LNK files.